Well, news just coming in. The Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar has now reached the Prime Minister's office to discuss the issue of the caste census with a team of 11 political leaders from the state. Apart from Tejashwi Yadav, the former Chief Minister Jitin Ram Manjhi, as well as the Education Minister Vijay Kumar Chaudhary, are also present in this meeting. Sumi is bringing us all the details on this. Good morning, Sumi. Tell us more about what's happening. Of course, in the past, we have seen Nitish Kumar push for a caste-based census.
Yes, absolutely. It is the long impending demand, and to carry forward that, we are witnessing 11 political parties, a delegation led by the Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar. He has now arrived at 7 LKM, that is the 7 Lok Kalyan Marg, the PM's residence, to lead this delegation and also to take his demand forward to carry out and conduct a caste-based census. In fact, Kumar's party, the Janata Dal Alliance, the Janata Dal United is also an alliance with the Bharatiya Janata Party in Bihar, and has been in favor of the caste-based census. And in fact, he had recently tweeted also that he has sought an appointment from the PM to meet him along with the delegation from Bihar to conduct the caste-based census. And in fact, on Monday, during an interaction also with the media this morning, he had said that caste-based census should be carried out in the country, and it has been a long time when the caste-based census has not been conducted. And in fact, he is of the view that it should be done separately. It was done separately between 2011 and 13. However, the report did not come out. And in fact, the consensus will give a clear picture of the population of various castes that are present in the country. In fact, the census that has happened so far has only been done on the basis of the SC/ST population. And apart from that, the OBC population, along with the sub-communities of the OBC population, is still not known. And in order to give the benefits to all the beneficiaries from the other communities also, it is high time that the caste-based census is conducted. And in fact, all of the politicians from the opposition parties, along with the JDU and the Congress, have been advocating for a caste-based census, and to carry forward that, all the politicians have been raising out their concerns in the parliament also. And in fact, we had seen Abhishek Manu Singhvi also voicing out his opinion on the same. And right now, Nitish Kumar coming to Prime Minister Narendra Modi's residence is certainly a significant development in that direction.
Right, absolutely. But, in the larger perspective, it's not just the Bihar Chief Minister who's wanting a caste-based census. We've seen reports coming in from Karnataka as well, with various leaders essentially demanding that a caste-based census would help them perhaps politically target communities, in the run-up to elections.
Yes, absolutely. We will be witnessing elections in the 7 states of the country early next year. And in order of that elections, it is very crucial for the political parties to conduct these caste-based census, and which is why now all of the political parties have been batting for the caste-based census, and to carry forward that demand, to carry forward what has been discussed at length in the parliament by various political parties. Now Nitish Kumar has been leading this delegation of 11 political parties, and it has also been joined by a few BJP names such as Jitin Ram Manjhi. And in fact, just a few minutes back, we had seen the delegation enter the Prime Minister Narendra Modi's residence. And in fact, the issue has been that many of these political parties have now come together. And in fact, during the recently concluded monsoon session also, this was one of the highlights when Abhishek Manu Singhvi also raised the issue in the Rajya Sabha. The party has been constantly saying that such a census is required to assess the exact ground situation, and which becomes a reality and which becomes a crucial point specifically before the state elections, which are due early next year. And remember, these elections will be conducted in the 7 states, and in order to create a manifesto, in order to curate a manifesto according to the benefits that will be given to certain sections of the society, it is very crucial for the political parties to exactly know what is the current population of various communities and sub-communities within OBCs and also SC/STs.
All right, Asumi bringing us those details. Thank you for joining us. Asumi is, of course, pointing out political parties across the spectrum now seem to be backing this demand to have a caste-based census.